Hello, Assistiv users. I'm Jason. I'm from the product growth team here, and today I'm excited to introduce one of our newest course features powered by Aurora Agent. Let's go ahead and create a topic and then build our course. Now we're going to answer all these following questions to build an outline for our course. Here's our course outline that they built out for us. And here's a course summary to the right. Now in step 3, we will talk to our Aurora Agent, which they will bring recommendations to make the course even better. Now our course is fully generated, and here we can review it. Now we're going to validate the course. Now it's fully validated, all checks pass. Now we can continue to publish. Now we can publish the course. And there you go. Thank you everyone for going through this walkthrough with me, and I hope everyone has a great day. Peace.